Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have API3 daily update. We are going to see the next targets, and of course before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, link in the description box and in the comment section. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. We are doing a professional work there. You are going to get an automated system with 200 altcoins. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell, and you won't do anything. And of course you will also get a manual system with over 90% win ratio that is automated as well. Personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, live trading and trading scalping strategy, and many other benefits. We are waiting for you. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's go right now to see API3 USD on the 4-hour frame. How did we find the previous target? We draw the trend-based Fibonacci extension. Usually with the trend-based Fibonacci, we are finding targets that we want to see. So I have drawn the trend base from this bottom back on 14 January or equally to this bottom on 11 January should be fine, to this top right here on 22 and back to the bottom on 3rd February. And you can see that we couldn't get past above the 1.618 line. Of course, I do not mean that we didn't cross it, but the body of the candlesticks could not close above this line. And therefore, we just went all the way down into the 5.22. And from there now, we have an increase to the price action. So what are the next price targets? And of course, we're going to see when are we going to buy API3. First of all, let's see the risk metrics. Right now we have the stochastic are saying an overbought, but all the other risk metrics can potentially grow even higher. RSI is not in an overbought, it is here as well. Commodity analytics, it is going into an overbought, but not in an overbought yet. Stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation. That means too many buyers have stepped in, and now we want sellers to step in pretty soon. But in general, an altcoin is very strong when we have the stochastic are saying an overbought, but the price is going just the opposite way as we expect. For example, if the stochastic are says in an overbought and the price keeps going higher, then this means that the altcoin has the strength needed to move even higher as well, and possibly it is in an impulsive wave mode in the lower time frames. Okay. So right now what we are going to see though is how can we do that? How can we know if we are able to get in? Alright, because I want to give you the exact targets. I do not want to mess around with just general things. It can go up or down. Yeah, we have heard all of this, okay? But this the YouTube should be a next generation step, giving the exact what people want, okay, giving the exact target. So right here what we are going to do is to draw the Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom, and you can see that we are struggling to get past above the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. If you ask me, I would tell you right now, if we close above the 8.74, and what I mean by closing above is that the body of the candlestick over the next hours, I do not mind which hour it will be. It might be after 3 days, 4 days, or 6 days, maybe even 10 days. But if the body of the candlestick closes above this line right here, the 8.74 USD, mark it right there, write it down, then you can enter and you will get a minimized risk, possibly going after to the 10.79 and the 12.5 as well, which if you remember, it was our second trend-based Fibonacci extension target from the previous videos we made about API3. So right here, only if we do that. Of course, none of these are financial advice. It's just my personal humble opinion in this video, but I'm telling you the targets that I believe right there. So if we get past above the 8.74, we will get even higher. For the time being, crossing the 5.46, again, maybe closing above will get us on the short term to 7.97. And of course, if we close above the 7.97, then we can get to the 8.74 right here. So these are our next price targets. But what happens if we cannot close above the 0.5? What are the next support levels? We are going to see that drawing again from the bottom to the top, the same thing. As you can see right here, the reason that we went upwards was because we had a double bottom pattern on the 4-hour frame for API3. You can see the double bottom, the exact low on the API3, exact low right here and the exact low right there. And you can see we had 5.18, 5.18, double bottom pattern. Of course, we are going to go even higher. This is why we pumped. This is why we had this swing high right here. Okay, those two candlesticks had the same bottom. And of course, we are going to draw it from this bottom to this top right here. And you can see the next support levels in case we go lower could be the 6.53 and the 6.22 from there. It is very possible to have a little bit of a buying pressure again. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, link in the description box and in the comment section. And of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.